Hello viewers, in this video let's see about use of GIS in decision making. There is a fundamental strategy that underlies all analysis of georeferenced data. An understanding of this strategy will not only lead to better use of the available methods, but is also needed to understand how different levels of data abstraction are related. We have to make decisions that require knowledge about our complex world. Because we don't have complete knowledge, we are used to make decisions with incomplete information. We select relevant information to remember and record. Using this selection process, we create a conceptual model of our world. The term model is used to mean a set of relationships or information about the real world. Our conceptual model of something is our understanding of what it is and how it behaves. When we needed to make decisions about the real world, we refer to our model, which is much simpler than the real world itself. It is simpler because we have pre-selected the information in the model to include the things that are relevant to us. Other details that we don't need tend to be selectively forgotten. And most people have a relatively simple conceptual model of a car, centered mainly on how to operate it, its appearance, and its performance. Few people have a conceptual model of a car that includes detailed information about all the components of the vehicle repair, test procedures, and so on. Our conceptual model of a car is more to a brief personalized user's manual than to complete set of specifications and engineering drawings. The process of using a GIS can be illustrated by a familiar geographic information processing task like planning a vacation. The process is illustrated in this figure. Notice that our task begins and ends with the real world. We have collected information about the real world. This information is necessarily an abstraction. We couldn't handle and wouldn't want every last detail. We will use this information to make decisions. And finally, we will implement those decisions. We will apply our abstract reasoning to the real world. That is, we will take a real vacation. The decisions of where to visit and what to do will require that we collect some information. So, in the next video, we will discuss some more topics that is related to GIS. Thank you for watching.